Had a couple of losses in this particular account, got under 50,000. This is Apex accounts. I'm still trying to get a payout. My first payout haven't been paid out yet. I got 6 Apex accounts left that I passed, and now I can actually get a payout from these if I reach. I think it's 2,600 in each one. Each one needs 2,600. I'm up to 500-600 in a lot of them, and a couple of them dropped down to 50 again. I got to get this one back up, but we're looking to short. What we're doing is we're shorting, and it's been a huge run up, gigantic run up for the NASDAQ. This is the micros, the MNQ contract. You can see how high it's been going up here, and we're looking to short it. All I'm trying to do is get it to come down to this, near this 50 EMA and near this little consolidation area here. It looks like it could go there today. That would be great. I would be very happy with that. After the gap down yesterday, and now we got a gap down today. This is the close-up version right here. I just went ahead and said I'm willing to take a big risk that this day is not going to come up over the top of the daily high. So my stop is literally at the daily high. Okay. If it does, I mean, something wild and comes back up, then I'll have a loss. But the market is going to open up in 6 minutes. But the market is, which means anything can happen. This thing could reverse and start pin-tailing its way back up. So I'm maybe I should take my profits and then look to get back in it. That's another idea. Another idea is to take profits and just get back in it. But I'm really trying to get professional on this so I can really start getting payouts. I really need to start paying my bills. I got some stuff I got to fix. Mobile home's breaking down, but I'm grateful for it. Very grateful. Yeah, that thing, if it would just shoot straight down into the open, I'd probably take my profits at the opening of the bell, because a lot of times it'll reverse at the opening of the bell. And it's possible I could just take my profits right now and just take it while it's dropping.
Order candidated.
I'm going to. The bell's about to open. I'm just going to take it. 299, well, 298. I'm back above 50 in that account. Now, if this thing goes back up, I'm going to be very interested in getting back in it, to be honest with you. So I'm going to mark this. Okay, we can see right here on this one where I got in, where I got out. Okay, good. Right here's where I got in last night, went to bed. Stop was way up here. Literally. Got out right here because the bell's about to open, and if this thing shoots way up, I want to get back short again. There's been so many now if it keeps going down and I miss, then that's going to be the problem with getting out too early. All right, in the meantime, I'm going to be working on some music here. MNQ. Short. closed here. So I'm gonna be looking to get back in this. I just got to set some alarms on it. Yeah, see it's starting to go up. That's just kind of what can happen. Oh shoot, I didn't mean to move that one. That's the close. We got to get that back up there. I like to know where yesterday's close is at for sure. So yeah, right here is where we got out. Bell's about to open in 2 minutes. Got in right here last night. I'll be looking to get back in it, hopefully.
20,520. I'm not saying we are going there. I'm saying prepare yourself if you see this market going ugly, and so far the market is bearish, so this is a possibility in here. However, we are a daily or a day trader, so day trader concerned about what is happening today. So far it's down. We have a range here staying below 30,064 in Q, and staying before what this level 7,546.
Mohammed, that was
For
2.5
sell.
minutes. The bell's about to ring. The bell's about to ring.
Yep.
10 seconds. But Enrico, Mohammed is locked
I'm
in.
not trading right now. We'll wait.
Here we go. Bell's
Usually
about to
we
ring.
wait.
We are
There it
now
goes.
open. We are now open for business on this Friday. That was incredible, Mohammed. So these 7,500s in the ES, there is more room to the downside. Those gaps. Enrico from Estonia, welcome. Can you top
Good
that,
morning, everyone.
Enrico? Can you
I was
top
locked
that?
in on that Mo session. I really
Hell
enjoyed
yeah.
it. I was locked in. Well, I have the same feeling as Mo. It looks really similar to yesterday. I'm not sure if it's going to play out like yesterday. Yesterday we were really bearish going into the open, and then we kind of swept the lows, and then we, I think, flew almost 500 points. So I'm not sure if we're going to do the same. I always have the thing with the markets where I think markets always kind of will try to
That's
leave
a
us
down day.
impression what's going to happen next day. And as a traders, we are short. We have the short-term memory. Then I think there's a lot of traders today expecting kind of the day to play out the same as yesterday. So for me, I'm gonna wait for the first 15 minutes. What I don't like to see in terms of bullish action or for the buyers is the fact that this is a EMA chart. This red line is 1 hour EMA. Yesterday we held it as a support. Today we are kind of holding it as a resistance. So for NQ, that's 30,234. If we don't reclaim that level, I will
Right
probably
back up.
look
Okay.
for shorts. And if we reclaim that level, I'm maybe even expecting that yesterday is going to play out.
Very interested to see if that's going to go back up and how far it might go. 15-minute chart. Got out down here. Let's see what it's going to do. 15-minute chart. See, that first 15-minute candle can be a nice intermediate bottom. This thing could go right back up and try to test, you know, these areas up here, anywhere up in here. It could end up being a kind of a range at the bottom here.
Order canceled.
Looking at this area down here, it's kind of like a support area. Anywhere in that area. This hour chart there. But 15-minute, we're going to keep an eye on this. I'm glad I got out. You know, the idea of how many times I said I wish I could have just sold it and got back in. You know, it didn't hit the target yet, but you could have gotten back in and made more than the target in some cases. Sometimes that's the case, yeah. So I'm going to keep an eye on where I got in this thing last night, which is right about there. Right there. I mean, I got in on this huge drop. I came home from work and I literally got in at support. And I was like, you know what? I think it's going to break support. Even if it comes up high, I think it's going to break support. So we were right about that. But the thing is, my stop loss was so big. So big. Sometimes the move happens in the overnight session, and by the time the bell rings, that's as low as it's going to go. Yeah, it looks like it wants to keep going down. But you never know. Got out right there. I think it's going to keep going down, definitely.
Order submitted.
I'm going to use a different account. Stop up here. Let's see what happens here. Oh man, I gotta use it. Yeah, that's serious. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Markers. Okay. I'm in 12? Oh shoot, I didn't know I was in 12. Thought I was in 10. All right, let it hit the target.
Order submitted.
I'm just going to take some more profit. I'm going to take whatever I can get. So we closed it again. So I'm grateful, made it over another $100. Thank God. Thank you, Lord. All right, that's good. But I think it's going to keep going down, which is good because that's, look at it go, buddy boy. I get out too early. I need to get another account going here. Let's try a different account. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, look at that thing drop like a rock. Man, you don't want to miss those opportunities. Excuse me. Yeah, I got it on that. Coming down to that zone. So I got out of the last one right there. So if it goes up higher than that, I'm going to mark where I got out of those two trades. Because if it goes higher than these two lines right here, I can get back in it. Why is it not showing the lines on this one? Nobody knows. So it's only going to show them on some of them? Okay. Is it showing it? Oh, it is showing it. Okay. Kind of like that. Man, I wish I would have stayed in this thing. It's coming down to that box. I know it is. It's probably going to come down to this moving average right here. Man, I got to get more courage. Yeah. It's coming down, buddy. I wish it would bounce and give me a chance to get back in it. Yes, sir. Well, we had the two good trades today. I'm going to close the live stream. I got other work to do. Remember, give thanks, be humble and grateful, and Jesus is Lord. I'll talk to you later. Peace.